Yo, what's up with y'all today, man? We're gonna be doing a high fade tutorial with a hard part. And yo, we out here in Dallas, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Beautiful Dallas. But yeah, man. I hope y'all do enjoy this video, and please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Now we're gonna grab our trimmers. We're gonna start with the ball line. Right here, we're gonna start removing all the excess hairs. Right here, I'm gonna start parting the hair, and right here, I'm gonna make sure to take my time because I don't want to cut any long hairs off and make a little patch. You know what I'm saying? Now that the hair is all parted, I'm gonna grab my trimmers. I'm gonna go over the line just one time, just so I can give myself a little idea of how it's gonna start looking. You know, this ain't gonna be the final product, but just like I said. You know what I'm saying? You want to be careful to not make this line really wide. You know what I'm saying? Now right here, I got my number 3 guard all the way closed. I'm going to start hitting it all the way to the top. Right here, I got my lever all the way open. I'm going to go about an inch up. Right here, I got my lever all the way closed. We're just going to be going from under the line to the line with the flick. Right here, we're just going to be lever playing, trying to get rid of that line. Once most of the lines are off, you know what I'm saying, there's going to be a little faint line. You're going to want to grab your trimmer and just hit the line. You know what I'm saying? Same thing on the other side. Right here, I got my number 1.5 guard all the way open. We're going to go exactly the same, about an inch up. Right here, I close the lever all the way, just attacking the line. It's not going to take it off. We just want to soften it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I got my half guard all the way open. We skipped the number 1 guard right here. You know what I'm saying? We just went straight to the half guard. Closing the lever little by little. Just trying to get rid of that line. You know what I'm saying? It don't got to be perfect because after the cut, we're going to come back and detail it. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you use your corners and, you know what I'm saying, you flicking your wrist. Now right here, I got my 2 guard. My number 2 guard all the way closed. You know what I'm saying? Just hitting that little line. That little line wasn't leaving, so I got my number 1.5 guard all the way open. I started playing with the lever. Now right here, I just started preparing my lineup. You know what I'm saying? Started from the middle, going to the right side, doing the vertical lines. You just want to even it out on the other side. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep going over the hard line. Right here, as y'all can see, I'm going over it a bunch of times just because I want to get as close to the skin as I can. I am not going to use no razor with little kids, you know what I'm saying? That's something I do not use with little kids. So I just grab my trimmer and get as close to the skin as I can. You know what I'm saying? Right here, we're just going to do a little styling. Grab my combs. Now right here, I just started doing his little eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? He had a bunch of growing hairs under. So I was just like, I just kept him natural. I didn't do too much. I just removed all the excess hair he had on top and underneath. Yes, sir. And this is the finished product, guys. If y'all did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.